at me, all he sees is the debris of some defective outcast. A frenetic, antithetic, and poetic little icon in class, but I won't live in the past. I just want to stay once, you know. But history is rearranged as a credit goes to win the glory. Some realities change in the end when they spin the story, and we choose to feel this pain, and we lose more than we gain. But I will break this cycle of mistakes, unlike all of these snakes whom I call to condemn. If I can't win the prize, I'll play this last reprisal just to bring their lives all to an end.
We need regeneration.
Unfortunately, I don't have much faith in that process.
Of course not.
Why, of course not.
You believe yourself to be capable survivor. Always been mine. I don't know who you was. Is it not possible to get them back?
Let's say something and I'm hearing how preposterous that sounds. How do you